My name is Karen. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make fried egg. To make this, you need paper and pencil, white felt, yellow felt, thread and needle, scissors, something round. Let's make it. Take your paper and draw a shape. Like this one, and then cut. Okay, it's done. Take your white felt fabric. I'm using scrap fabric. Put on fold. Put your pattern. Pin. Cut. Remove the pins. Take one of these, put this aside. Take yellow felt, anything round, put here, draw, and cut. Okay, so take this, put here. So this felt is the kind that is sticky at the back. So remove and stick. Okay, up to that point, and take your stuffing. Put here. Okay, like that. Take this. Put here. Take your needle and thread, white thread, and then sew. Okay, it's done. So now cut the thread. Maitabasane kuona. Thank you for watching. Mite kurete arigato. Bye.